Let's make this simple Malaysian dish. Stir-fry spicy eggplant with shrimps and bell peppers. My name is Sue and this is another one of my family's favorite that you can cook in minutes. And don't forget to subscribe to find more easy home recipes. First, marinate the shrimps with simple seasoning. I'm using some seasoning, barbecue seasoning that I have store-bought, and then just slowly massage in the shrimps and put the shrimps aside. You can also use salt if you like. And get a wok. Start heating the wok with some oil. I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of oil. Stir fry half an onion that has been sliced thinly. I'm using half an onion for this recipe. You can serve 3 to 4 people with this recipe. So start with slicing the onions. And when you stir fry until the tips of the onion is slightly brown and fragrant. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. So go ahead and stir fry with the oil for a little bit until it is fragrant and it is slightly brown on the tips. When the tips of the onions are brown, put in the sliced eggplant. The eggplant has been sliced earlier. Now it is time to brown the eggplant on both sides. I bought a round, big eggplant, so stir it around to make sure both sides are browned. Both sides that is white is brown. Close the lid to steam the eggplant for 3 minutes. This will help to soften the eggplant faster and will help you to cook faster. You can open up after 3 minutes and just take a look and see. So it is not brown, fully brown yet, and it is still hard. So continue to stir until the eggplant is softened and brown before adding the sauce. I'm going to close the lid for a second time for another 2 minutes. You can also add a little oil if you see that is needed. This part is to make sure the eggplant is brown on all sides and also it is softened. Stirring it helps to distribute the heat and also to get the eggplant to brown on all sides. So close the lid for another 2 minutes to make it faster. And around this time, after 2 minutes, around this time, you can check again and you can see that now it is softer and more brown on all sides. So this is the right time to add some simple sauces.
Put salty, spicy,
I'm gonna just use some soya sauce, some sriracha chili, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. If you cannot handle spice, just add 1 tablespoon of sriracha. But if you're good with spice, you can add 2 or 3 spices as tablespoon of chili. The soya sauce is approximately 2 tablespoons. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to make it all a little bit caramelized. Now if you have a little bit of curry chili paste, you can add 1 tablespoon of that too, but that is totally optional. And I will now add the shrimp in. Close the lid of the wok to make sure all the ingredients soften and cook well. The most important is for the shrimp to cook and turn a pinkish red to indicate that it's cooked. I'm going to close the lid again and make sure all the ingredients get softened and cooked. This will take another 2 minutes and you can see now that I'm stirring it. Do you notice that the ingredients have softened and turned a slight brownish color? Okay, at this last point, I will add the bell peppers that has been sliced. The bell peppers is for the last part so that it will still have a little crunch at the end. So I'm adding the curry chili paste in. Curry chili paste usually have a little bit of lemongrass or some kind of herbs in it, and that's easy for you just to add a little bit in. but this is again optional. I like to use red, yellow and green peppers so that the color of the dish is beautiful and more appealing. I'm using red here. Yellow and red are the best combination to make the dish more beautiful and more appealing. And add half a cup of water so that all the ingredients continues to soften and cook, and it is to avoid also that the dish doesn't get scalded. Now plate and serve when it's all ready. So a little bit water just to make sure it doesn't get burnt. And one big huge aubergines can maybe make you 2 meals with one huge eggplant, one red pepper and one yellow pepper and one onion. So such simple ingredients and yet the taste is amazing. Try it. You can serve it with rice or noodles or even just eat it just as it is because there's lots of vegetables and there's lots of shrimps in there. This recipe can easily be turned into a vegetarian version, just omit the shrimp. You can definitely add firm tofu to replace the shrimp too, just to make it a more filling dish. If you like this easy recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Eggplants and bell peppers are easily available during summer months, and this is just one way to prepare this dish. I hope you will let me know how you prepare your eggplant. Thanks for watching and see you next week. So remember to subscribe so that you find more recipe that you can help prepare more delicious food at home. Remember, this year is the year that you cook delicious food for your family and to improve your cooking with more recipes, different recipes and more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and again signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.